Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the general reading first. So we have Nine of Swords in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse and King of Cups. So in your situation, Gemini, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. You are a person who is really responsible. You are very understanding, compassionate. So you take care of people, maybe in your career or in your personal life, the people with you. So the people who work with you or your family members, you take a good care of those people. You are quite responsible and you are a person who protects everyone, and you are very helping person, guys. So whatever they need, maybe with your time, energy or support in whatever way, you are helping them. But today something is not right in your situation. Maybe it may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. Whatever you had trusted will unfold in a particular way. It is not happening according to your expectation, guys. So it may be in your in this love or it may be in your career. So some kind of difficulties, some kind of obstacles, and you are afraid of some things, maybe some outcome maybe. So what may happen, you do not know in some circumstance. So some kind of worries because of that, or some doubts, or you have doubts on someone or someone is doubting you. So you feel really ashamed and stressed because of that, because of what people are thinking about you. Maybe they are talking behind you, or something has come to your ears. It may be a gossip, but it is hurting you. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Chariot in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, maybe this person and yourself may have some misunderstandings, guys, because of your situation, maybe because of these gossips, or because of your circumstance. Something is not going up to expectation, maybe. So maybe some clash of ideas or opinions or these gossips that has come in between you and this person. So they do not trust you totally. So they have some doubts on you, or it may be your energy towards this person. You have some doubts on them, guys. So that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your. We have another reverse card, guys. Queen of Pentacles. So again, in your career situation also, guys, there are people with evil intentions. So they are simply competing with you. They want to benefit themselves. So they don't have that true concern on you, Gemini. So you need to be careful, Gemini. That is what I see. Though you are a very helpful, kind and compassionate person, things are not going right in your situation, but you need to stay strong, guys. That is what I see. Gemini, if you are interested, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card reading that is coming up right now, guys. So stay tuned for that, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be like a fairy story. So whatever your situation is, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card for the first reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So let's see what is your fairy story. It's brother and sister transformation. So with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, it just means that whatever knowledge or wisdom that we have in our situation, and whatever likes or dislikes or instincts that we have, so all that must work in harmony if we want a peaceful life. And in our situations, maybe some things are pointing us towards something in our life. It may be in our relationship or it may be in our day-to-day life. There are some warning signs you are seeing. You need to be really careful, guys. If you are maybe if you have people telling you something, suggesting you something, or you yourself are having some instincts about something or intuition about something, you need to listen to it. If you do not do that, there will be some consequences and you will have to live with those consequences, guys. So today you should not fear the people who are envious of you, jealous of you. You need to move forward in life, have that positive outlook, listen to people who are suggesting you something. So there is someone suggesting you, it may be your sibling, sister or a brother, telling you something. You need to listen to it, so that way you will be able to overcome any difficulties in your situation, guys. And this story, the story with this card, is about the balance that we need to maintain, guys, in our life. So we should not go for that instant gratification. So things are tempting us all along in life. There are so many circumstances tempting us, but we should have that strong will in our heart. We should always lean towards good life, guys. So in order to lead a good life, we should not take up something, we should not go for that instant gratification in our situation. So that is what will work against us. So we need to think through what needs to be done today, and our actions should not affect the people who are with us. So we should think about that also in our situation, guys. So for that harmony and balance, to find that harmony and balance in our situation, we should take life in a simpler way, learn to live life simply by leaning towards the good things, maybe good behavior, good habits, good words. And we should care for people, maybe younger people in our life, maybe our younger siblings, brother or sister. And this card has a strong that bonding between brothers and sisters. So maybe in your situation, guys, You have your brother or sister helping you, suggesting you something. You need to listen to it, guys. That is what I see with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, this is your story. I hope it resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. So now let's start with the second card. So we will keep this aside. So this is your second card. We have the white snake. Understanding. So that is the card. Such a beautiful card here. So this card just means that all our sacrifices will be rewarded for sure, and good work or good behavior or goodness in us is always rewarded, and our courage is always rewarded. So no need to put up excuses when we are confronted with truth, guys. So we cannot make any excuses to escape from some truth in our situation. So something has come up in your life, maybe some experience. People may seem distant, unemotional, or lacking in warmth towards you. But if you continue to do the right things, be good and be in your goodness, or not changed by the way people are treating you or by the way your circumstances are going. If you continue to be yourself, to be that good person, there will be a breakthrough moment, guys. So there is also a time, a turning point happening in your relationship. So this person will come to understand what you have done for them, what you have done for this love, and what you are worth. So you will be able to change people's life, help them to heal, and help them to heal in this situation, guys. Maybe they are hurt, they have some negative past, or some past memories are hurting them, or maybe for some of you it may be your present situation. They are hurt by how things are going today, but you need to understand that you have the power to heal with your goodness, guys. And by showing that true love and true goodness you have in your heart, you are going to heal your situation and heal this person you love, guys. So that is the story with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.